Hello, friends, and welcome back to Inception Reactions. It is time for chapters 8, 9, and 10 of the Take Me Back to Eden album. We are going to do the next three: Apparition, Sleep Token, and Rain. Oh, wait. DYWTYLM. Do you want to... Why love me? Usually I can figure these out, but I can't figure that out. What's it stand for? Maybe we'll find out in the song. Those are the three we're covering today. I don't want to waste any more time. Let's get into it. Apparition.
Why are you never real whenever you appear?
Need to turn this up.
Leave me with that grace. I am trembling with fear, but I know that you
There's that
will disappear.
classic guitar riff again.
Just as I awake,
Classic rock.
whisper in my ear. Well, I believe that somewhere in the past something was between you and I, my dear, and it remains with me to this day. No matter what I do, the scar will never fade.
It's gonna get real hard, I know it. Love that industrial synth.
So let's make trouble in the dream world. Hijack heaven with another memory, girl. I'll make the most of the turning tide. It's just split what's left of the burning silence. Don't wait, 'cause this could be the last time you turn up in the reveries of my mind. I'll wake up to a suicide frenzy. Loaded dreams still leave me down. Somewhere in the past, something was between you and I, my dear, and it remains with me to this day. No matter what I do, this wound will never heal. Why are you
Just the movement of the sound for the mix. But wait, there's more. Oh, another fade out. Yeah. If you haven't seen my yeah compilation yet, you should probably go check that out. Have a little fun at my expense. I use the word simple a lot, but it was a more simple song, especially for Sleep Token. I love that industrial synth throughout throughout the whole song. It really gave it that ambiance, I guess is might be the word. I really like the song. Is it on top of the list? Probably not. Maybe if I listen to the lyrics again, I would find it more personal. It sounds to me like this is a love song, whether it's, I don't want to say love song, but the subject here is love. He did stay in his lower register for the majority of the song, and that was really, his voice is just butter. Whether he's in his falsetto or whether he's in his low register, it is just butter. There's still 10 seconds left. Let's make sure I don't miss anything. I doubt it, though. And we'll just let it go into the next song. Okay. And now for something completely different. Do you want to... Why love me? It looks like a strawberry or a tooth.
Do you roll with the waves? Or do you duck into deep blue safety? Is it always the same?
This is a pop.
Do you wish that you loved me? Do you pull out the chains?
I don't hate it.
Or do you push into constant aching each and every day? Do you wish that you loved me?
Do you wish that you loved me? Do you wish that you loved me? So I was way off. I guess I wasn't way off, just one word.
Do you wish that you loved me?
Do you wish that you loved me? It's early. Okay.
Is there something you give that you will never receive in return? Do you know what it is? Do you wish that you loved me? Now are you trying to live like everything is a lesson to learn? Can you ever forgive yourself? Do you wish that you loved me?
This is super dope.
My reflection just won't smile back at me like I know it should, and I would turn into a stranger in an instant if I could. And there is something eating me alive, I don't know what it is. Maybe not that you conceal your feelings, they just don't exist. Do you ever believe that we can turn into different people? It's getting harder to be
I'm digging this.
myself. Do you wish that you loved me? Could we ever release? Is it better to just not feel? Can we hit delete?
Can we hit delete?
Do you wish that you loved me? And it's been so long that I'm forgetting what it feels like. But I'd rather not remind myself and leave it all behind. And I try so hard to fix it up, but nothing seems to help. But I cannot hope to give you what I cannot give myself. Do you wish that you loved me? Small bird. Do you wish that you loved me? Do you wish that you loved me? Oh, whoa. Do you wish that you loved me? Do you wish that you loved me? Small bird. Do you wish that you loved me? Do you wish that you loved me? Oh, whoa. Do you wish that you loved me?
Before we talk about this one, I totally forgot to talk about the fade outs. The first one. It was really interesting to hear that fade out in the apparition, similar to Vor. Correct me if I'm wrong if it wasn't Vor. I mentioned in that video that fade outs were originally created as part of an earworm marketing tool. In no way do I think Sleep Token does that with the fade out. Vessel's choice of music would never be for commercial or marketing purposes. With that said, let's talk about pop music. On the surface, when you say, do you like pop music? A lot of people will say no, but the truth of the matter is it's pop music for a reason. Super catchy song. Simple beat, didn't get into that hard driving guitars, even though the subject matter wasn't very fun. It was more of just a fun beat. I liked it a lot. Honestly, didn't think I was going to like it that much at the beginning, just because it was such a flip. Even at the same time, I know that this band doesn't fit in a genre, and we're going to hear all kinds of different things. When this is all over, if there is an album out there that has no skips, which I already know this one doesn't have any skips, it's going to be played from front to back. That's how I play my music when I'm not doing reactions. Really excited to see the flow of this album. Like I'm doing it in the order, but when you take that break in between the songs, you lose that context. A good artist knows the order of their album. Really excited to get done with this album. Again, we don't want to rush things, but we've got an album coming out. So anyway, 1 second. Oh. Oops, sorry. All right, I am back. Just a quick family obligation. All right, let's get into the last song, and it is Rain. Let's do it.
For so long I've waited,
That piano.
so long that I almost became just a stoic statue fit for nobody, and I don't wanna get in your way, but I finally think I can say that the vicious cycle was over the moment you smiled at me.
Ooh. Vicious cycle was over the moment you smiled at me.
You cast the dust into nothing and wash out the soul from my head. So touch me again, I feel my shadow dissolving. Will you cleanse me with pleasure?
What a wordsmith.
Start coming cold cut that I can get down with, up like the moon and out like the hounds. A dangerous disposition, somehow refracted in light, reflected in sound. I'm coiled up like a venomous serpent, tangled in your trance, and I'm certain you have got your hooks in me. I know the way that it goes. You get what you give, you reap what you sow, and I can see you in my fate. And I know I am what I am, the mouth of the wolf, the eyes of the lamb. So darling, will you saturate? Just like the rain, you cast the dust into
There's that falsetto. You cleanse me with pleasure.
can say for certain if maybe it's
Ooh, I can hear the rain.
again. When I open my eyes to the future, I can hear you say my name. So rain down on me. Rain down on me.
I'm assuming all those backing vocals are Vessel. So fucking good. That rain. I love the sound of rain. Starting my days with Sleep Token has been very, and what's the word? What's the word I'm looking for? Very refreshing, honestly. My relationship with music is changing. I'm no longer allowed to listen to the music when it comes up, like when I come across it, right then and there. That's how I used to listen to music. Come across it, you listen to it, goes on the playlist. Now, with the channel, I've got to say, is this something that I want to check out? I've really enjoyed this way of finding new artists, mainly because instead of a person coming to me and saying, oh, you got to check out this song, it's so good. But what I'm trying to say is, where was I going? This isn't going to be one of my best videos, but I'm not going to hide it. I'm all about being real around these parts. Okay? Oh, okay. Back to starting my day. I used to start every single day listening to Swimming in Circles by Mac Miller. The album Swimming, followed by the album Circles. Starting my day doing reactions, and especially doing reactions to Sleep Token, has changed the way I spend the rest of my day. I'm getting this with NF too. If any of you are along for the NF journey, or if you enjoy NF, check out that journey. If you don't check it out because you're not going to like it. It's changed, like instead of starting my day with my two favorite albums of all time, probably, I'm discovering new music. I'm listening to your suggestions and the subscribers that I have and what they want to hear me react to. And I'm learning about new music in that way. So it's different. The way I'm consuming music is different. And I'm still learning. I started this channel mostly around Ren, just because the inspiration for the channel came from watching High Ren last year. It's now brought me into people like NF and bands like Sleep Token. So this is a brand new journey for me as far as music is concerned. And my passion for music goes back to when I first started bobbing my head to a beat. These last three songs, very, very good. Not on the top of my list for Sleep Token. I do love, especially in Rain, I really loved the piano again through the whole thing. In the beginning it was front and center, but when you brought in the other instruments, that piano was still there in the back of the mix. And I've talked about this in other Sleep Token songs. It just makes that sound that much better. Take that piano out, it's just not going to be the same. Hope you all have a wonderful day. Tomorrow we are going to go into Take Me Back to Eden. We're going to do that one video. I think it's going to be a big one. And then from there, we're going to go into the EPs. There's going to be one video for each EP. And then we will go into Sundowning we're going into. And then we're going into the album I can't remember the name. We're going to get this done before May 9th. All right? As always, take care of yourself. Look after each other. Take what you brought with you. Peace.